Hello students, today we are going to do some book work, some copy work of our first unit, which is Senses and People. So first of all we are going to do the difficult words, and then we'll do the question and answer, and then we will do fill in the blanks. So let's start from difficult words. Difficult words are hair, 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 H-E-A-R, hair. Ears, 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 E-A-R-S, ears. Senses, 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 S-E-N-S-E-S, senses. Danger, 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 D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Magnifying, 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 M-A-G-N-I-F-Y-I-N-G, magnifying. Lunch, 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 L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Happy, 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 H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Touch, 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 T-O-U-C-H, touch. Pleasant, 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 P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, pleasant. Unpleasant, 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 U-N-P-L-E-A-S-A-N-T, unpleasant. So these are the difficult words. You have to write them in your copy. Now we are going to do the question and answers. I will read the questions and then I'll explain each of the question to you, and the answers are going to be done by you. You have to do the answers of each of the question. So let's start it. Question number 1, what do we use to see? As you all know, that we have so many sense organs that help us to see, help us to smell, help us to hear. So which organ do we use to see? Question number 2 is, how do we hear people talking? As I just told you that we use our sense organ to see, to hear, to smell, to touch. So which sense organ do we use to hear what people are talking? Question number 3 is, why are our senses important? I told you that our senses are very important to find about things around us in the first presentation of this class, of this unit. Now that you know that senses are important to find about different things about the things that are around us. Now question number 4 is, which sense help us to see colors? Now you have to name the sense that help us to see colors. There are many senses. Some of them there are many senses, for example hearing, which help us to hear, touching, which help us to feel the texture of something, smelling, which help us to smell something, tasting, which help us to taste how something tastes, bitter, sweet, sour, how the thing tastes. And now they are asking about which sense help us to see colors. So you have to answer it by yourself. Question number 5 is, what objects can help us see better? And if you remember, I told you a few of objects that help us to see better in the first presentation. There are many of the things that help us to see better, but you have to write one of them that is very, very, very easy, make everything very easy to see us, for us to see. Now question number 6 is, which sense help us to find out the size, shape and color of things? Now this is the same as question number 4, so the answer of both of the questions are same. Now question number 7 is, which sense tell us whether something smell pleasant or not? Like I just told you that there are some of the organs that help us to smell, that help us to see, that help us to taste, that help us to hear. So now there are sense tell us something, whether something is smell pleasant, or whether something smells unpleasant. So now you have to write the name of the sense that help us to smell things. Now we are going to do filling the blanks, and the first one is, our senses warn us of dash. What does our senses tell us? When something bad is going to happen, our senses tell us or warn us that something bad is going to happen. So what do we say it when our senses warn us of danger? Okay, so the blank is danger. The second one is, our 5 senses help us to dash things. What do our senses help us to see, observe? What do our senses help us to tell about the things? What do we do with the help of our senses? We observe things with the help of our senses. Third one is, our dash give us our sense of sight. Which organ gives us our sense of sight? You have to write the name of that sense organ that give us our sense of sight. The fourth one is, when you hear people laugh, they are likely to be, what they are likely to be? When someone laughs, what they are likely, happy or sad? Fifth one is, musical instrument make pleasant sounds called. What do the sound called that we make with the help of many musical instruments? Dash. Number 6 is, our skin give us our sense of dash. What do we do with the help of our skin? We observe things, but by doing what we observe things? The seventh one is, when some smells are strong while other are light. Some smells are very pungent and very strong, but some smells are light.